Hola amantes del español. Today I'm going to explain the difference between hijos o hijas, niños o niñas. They can both be translated as children, and one of them can be translated as children or kids. So hijos o hijas are the people that you call your son or daughter, no matter the age. It could be small children or adults or very, very adults. You still call them hijos o hijas. Niños o niñas is referring to kids, to small kids, to small children. I don't know, until they get to be maybe 12, 13 years old, 14, when they are considered teenagers. That's when you call niños, right? Now let's see some examples. Mis hijos están en la escuela, o mis niños están en la escuela. So they both mean my children are at school. Now by context, since we're saying that they are at school, that means that they are children, they're small children, small people, young people, very, very young people, like I said, under 13 years old, right? Those are niños. Now here, el hijo de María es doctor. Maria's son is a doctor. So obviously here I can say el hijo de María es doctor because hijo, like I mentioned, doesn't matter the age, you can still call them hijos to your son or daughters. So I could not say el niño de María es doctor because he's obviously an adult and it's not a niño. So we say hijo, or los niños están jugando. The kids or the children are playing. Again, people under 13 years old. Mi hija vive en Japón. My daughter lives in Japan. All right, again, no matter the age, because hija is your hija or your hijo, whatever the age. And esa niña es muy inteligente. That girl, that girl is very intelligent. Again, niña under 13 years old. Mi esposo y yo tenemos 3 hijas. So my wife and I have 3 daughters, all right, or 3 children. Mi esposa y yo tenemos 2 niños de 8 años. So my wife and I have 2 kids or 2 children of 8 years old. So, and here when you say mi esposa y yo tenemos 3 hijas, okay, now you know that you have 3 daughters, but it doesn't really say the age. It doesn't say if they are adults, if they are small kids, if they are what they are. They are teenagers. We don't know. We just say hijas. Maybe we can infer if we see that it's a very young couple. Well, they cannot be grown-ups yet, but it doesn't, just by saying tenemos 3 hijas, it doesn't really say if they are niños, if they are under 13 years old, if they are teenagers or if they are adults. Teenagers, adolescentes, en español, by the way. But here, when you say, mi esposa y yo tenemos 2 niños, without saying de 8 años, if you just say, mi esposa y yo tenemos 2 niños, now we know that those kids, those boys or girls or the son and daughter of this couple are under 13 years old, right? So this is the difference between hijos, hijas, niños, niñas. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe and go to my website for more free material and join my membership to get a customized study plan. And with this, you're gonna get also a 7-day free trial. So thank you very much. Adios.